Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a to-do list in Notion. A to-do list is a simple way to keep track of tasks, assignments, and daily activities. Let's get started. First, open Notion and go to the page where you want to create your to-do list. Click anywhere on the page and type /to-do. From the menu that appears, select To-Do List. A checkbox will be added to the page. Now type your first task next to the checkbox. Press Enter to create another to-do item. Continue adding as many tasks as you need. When you complete a task, simply click the checkbox to mark it as done. Notion will automatically cross out completed tasks, making it easy to track your progress. You can also drag and drop tasks to reorder them whenever needed. For example, you can create a daily to-do list, such as finish homework, reply to emails, exercise for 30 minutes, read a book. As you complete each task, click the checkbox to mark it finished. Notion automatically saves your changes, so there's no need to click a Save button. And that's it. That's how you create a to-do list in Notion. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more Notion tutorials. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.